Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to freeze and unfreeze columns in JotForm Tables. This is a really useful feature when you're working with large datasets and want to keep certain columns visible while you scroll through the rest of your table. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to jotform.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your JotForm account. This step gets you into the main dashboard where all your forms and tables are stored. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Tables. This takes you to the section where all your existing tables are organized, making it easy to find the one you need to work with. Now browse through your list of tables and locate the specific table you want to modify. Once you've found it, click on View Table. This action opens the table in full view, allowing you to see all the columns and rows clearly. You'll be able to interact with the data and make adjustments as needed. Next, identify the column you want to freeze. Freezing a column keeps it locked in place on the left side of your screen, even as you scroll horizontally through other columns. This is especially helpful when dealing with reference columns like names or IDs that you need to keep visible at all times. Click on the column header to select it. After selecting the column, look for the 3 vertical dots that appear at the top of the column. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Freeze Column. Once you do this, the column will remain fixed on the left side of your table, no matter how far you scroll to the right. This ensures that critical information stays in view while you navigate through the rest of your data. If at any point you decide you no longer need a column frozen, the process to unfreeze it is just as simple. Click on the frozen column again, then click the 3 vertical dots at the top. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Unfreeze Column. This will release the column back into its normal position, allowing it to move freely with the rest of your table as you scroll. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to freeze and unfreeze columns in JotForm Tables, giving you better control over how you view and manage your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.